Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Honda Accord vs Acura TLX, which is better. Follow along as I walk through styling, performance, comfort, safety features, and ownership costs, so you can decide which fits your needs. I'll highlight key differences in engine feel, interior quality, and tech features while staying practical about value. Listen for real ownership notes and driving impressions to help narrow your choice with confidence and clarity. When comparing performance, think about how you drive and what thrills you want. The Acura emphasizes sharper handling and a more engaged feel, while the Accord leans toward comfort and composed cruising. Both models use turbocharged engines and refined transmissions, delivering satisfying acceleration and good fuel economy. I'll describe throttle response, steering feedback, braking confidence, and real-world ride quality to help you match driving style with the right chassis and powertrain choice. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation. On another note, Bento Box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that tuck neatly into your trunk for road trips and commuting snacks. I've linked a few of my favorites in the description along with other deals, so check them out if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Interior comfort and perceived value often sway buyers between these two sedans. Acura tends to present a more upscale cabin with finer materials and a focus on refinement, while the Accord gives spacious seating and excellent tech at a competitive price. I'll cover infotainment usability, driver assist features, cargo practicality, and estimated long-term costs. Expect a balanced take that highlights which cabin feel and equipment level match your budget and priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.